Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 29th of July 2024. US Dow Jones rose 1.64%, settling the day at 40,589.34 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,357.88, rising 1.03%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,582.63 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,177.18. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,038, indicating a gap-up start for the Indian market. FII bought 2,546.38 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Its battleground South India as Ultratech announces acquisition of India Cements. Colgate-Palmolive receives 248.74 crore rupees tax demand notice. Now talking about global aspects, US Treasury Secretary said that emerging markets, including some G20 countries, share her concerns about China's excess industrial capacity. The University of Michigan consumer sentiment for the US was revised higher to 66.4 in July from a preliminary reading of 66, remaining the lowest in 8 months. Personal spending in the United States increased 0.3% from the previous month in June. WTI dropped 1.4% to $77.16 a barrel and the Brent fell 2% to $80.70 barrel. The dollar index is trading at 103.95. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.17%, down. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices made a significant recovery, with Nifty scaling a fresh all-time high of 24,861.15 after falling for 5 consecutive sessions. This rebound was driven by value buying at lower prices and significant gains in major blue-chip stocks such as Infosys, TCS, and RIL. The Sensex rallied by over 1,200 points, settling at 81,332.72, while the Nifty gained 1.76% to end the day on a firm note at 24,834.85. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has formed a robust bullish candle on the daily chart, reaching a fresh all-time high. The immediate resistance level is at 25,000, and trading above this threshold could signal a strong bull market which can take the index towards 25,400. Conversely, support is identified at 24,500. The overall market structure remains bullish, indicating a buy on dip strategy. However, a break below the 24,500 level may suggest potential profit booking. The Nifty Bank Index has demonstrated a robust recovery following a period of profit booking and formed a strong Marubozu candle, indicating that it has bottomed out and is poised for a fresh round of buying. This bullish sentiment is expected to intensify if the index moves above 51,500, with resistance seen at 52,000. On the downside, support levels are 51,000 and 50,800. This formation suggests a potential shift in market sentiment, paving the way for renewed upward momentum. Stocks on radar are Mphasis, Piramal, Tata Power, Siemens, Apollo Tyre. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.